Hi, in this video we're going to show you a way to add a create a restore point option to your right-click context menu in Windows. Alright, so we're going to do this with a registry file, so there's one for adding it and one for removing it. So here's the one to add, so if we open it in Notepad, you can see what it's going to do there. Like so. And then to remove it, here's what it's going to do. Just like that. So first, if we right-click, show more options, we don't have that option, so now we're going to double-click on the ad, run it, say yes to the prompt, say yes to the second prompt, and then say OK. And now if we right-click, we could do Create Restore Point. So the only downside to this is that it's not going to let you name it, so it's just going to call it Manual. So we'll let this run real quick and then we'll check it out. Okay, now if we do a search for System Restore. And of course you have to have System Restore enabled in order to make a restore point, otherwise it's not going to work. So you could come here and make sure it's on. Alright, so we're going to click on System Restore. And so here's the one we just made right here. Okay, so now if we want to remove that option, we just double click this file here. Do the same thing, yes, yes, okay. And now when we right click, show more options, now it's gone. So you can see it's pretty simple to add and remove. And then it makes it really easy to make a system restore point. So if you're always making restore points and you don't want to go through the usual method, you just want a really quick way to do it, you could try this out. So I'll put a link in the description where you could download these registry files and then you could add your own right-click context menu item. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.